Okay, guys, this is going to be the topic for your class of today. We're going to do a workshop about equations. I didn't put that here. I don't know why. Equations, yes. So what are we going to do? We are going to do, okay, this is about problem solving using equations, okay? And we are going to perform these 5 points. And remember that when you have this, you need to read. You need to know how to read, okay? Because that is the success of doing this kind of exercises. The reading is fundamental, okay? So I'm going to read them and we are going to do it together, okay? So, A, how long is going to be a rope if its third part is 200 meters long? B, Juan has $40,000 and Rosa has $350,000. Both of them buy the same book. After the bout, Rosa has 6 parts of Juan monies left. Sorry. What is the price of the book? C. Find 3 consecutive numbers whose sum is 36. D. Camilo is 21 years old less than Andres, and the sum of their ages is 47. What is the age of both of them? E. Find 3 consecutive numbers whose sum is 219. Okay, guys, this is going to be your workshop. I wish you good luck because you're going to need it. Okay, you're not going to need it because I'm going to do it with all of you. So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind. And see ya.